So I have a little reputation as being the posture police. And the three main citations that I give out is one is slouching. So we all slouch every now and then, a lot more than others. Two, we cross at the feet. We tuck the feet under, or we tend to cross the hips. I'm a hip crosser. And then three is we look down at our phones and we are slouching in really bad sitting posture. And what that is doing is that is reversing the natural spinal curves that we need to maintain for proper spinal health. So if you look around, it's everywhere. It's at the DMV, it's kids at school, it is at the doctor's offices where the patients are trying to see the doctors for neck and back pain. It's at parents at sporting events waiting on their kids. It's everywhere. So I guarantee look around and you will see it. So what do you do about it? All right, three easy suggestions. Number one is go ahead and sit back in the chair, right? Pretty basic, but very effective. And two is keeping the feet on the floor. All right. And then the third one is having that phone at eye low, kind of keeping that elbow tucked in, and also having one of those little pop-ups that you put your fingers in that really helps keep your phone more at eye level. So what else can you do to have proper sitting posture? Unfortunately, there is no one strengthening exercise that is going to have you have amazing posture. Okay. Three things that I suggest is one, you have to have awareness of what you're doing wrong. What are your faulty habits? Are you slouching? Are you crossing? Okay. Different things. Is two is working on correcting those faults. Three is it does get easier with time. When you're practicing proper posture, your spinal stabilizers are strengthening just by you sitting in a proper posture. Now, I hope this helps. I do have other ergonomic and posture topics and videos because it's one of my passion topics. So go ahead and check out the channel, and I will see you soon.